shilling 10,000 in Kenya and earn shilling 140,000 passive income. How to invest 10,000 Kenya shillings and earn 140,000 passive income. It is very important to know that when you enter on your job or you get a job, it is very important to invest. How do you invest? Do you buy land? Do you buy cars? Do you buy asset or liabilities? Yes. How do you invest 10,000 so that you get 140 passive income? It is very important and it is a good investment when you start it early. If you look like Warren Buffett started when he was a small boy in the house of Yamaha, where he invested in 3 assets. Yes, at a young age, the earlier you invest, the better. For example, he invested in different stock of exchange. How do we invest in stock of exchange? In Kenya, in diaspora, in Nigeria, or in Kenya? How do you invest? You invest through CDSC account. You go to your stockbroker or the CDSC account office, then you register to invest or buying shares from stock exchange, Nairobi Stock of Exchange. It is very important. When you start early, when you enter on your job, you have to split your salary. When you get your salary, put some money, maybe 10,000 per month. 10,000 per month, and put them in investment. For example, in that CDSC account that you buy shares from Nairobi Stock of Exchange, yes, you put the 10,000, then it start to grow or to have to grow and compound every year. You get dividend, but you keep increasing your shares. Yes, when you start putting 10,000 in Nairobi Stock Exchange today, every month, within 6 years, you will be able to get 140,000 passive income. Yes, by the end of the year, you will have 140,000 passive income. It is very important to have a side hustle. How many streams of income do you have? Yes, it is very important to know that. When you invest in a Nairobi Stock of Exchange, you will be able to get the best passive income. Please invest as early as possible. Please invest 10,000 every month for 6 years, and by the end of the year, you'll be getting 140 for 6 years. You'll get 140 non-stop. The earlier you start, the better. Start investing. When you get your salary, please put 10,000 and use the rest. If you get 40,000 or 50,000 shillings as a salary, put 10%, 10,000 to Nairobi Stock of Exchange and use the rest. You will never regret. After 10 years or 5 to 6 years, you will never regret. Please invest, and later it will be very, very okay. Please subscribe on my channel, like, share, and comment on my channel, and may God bless you.